Every car you see on the road has a hidden beginning. Before it moves, it starts its life inside a massive factory. This place is filled with steel, sound, and incredible precision. This is where a modern car is born, step by careful step. The long journey begins with raw, powerful materials. Huge rolls of steel and aluminum arrive at the plant daily. These metals are chosen mostly for strength and passenger safety. Giant machines cut the raw metal into precise, flat blanks. The metal sheets are then moved to the press shop. Here, enormous presses shape the metal into car parts. The force used in these presses is like crushing 5 houses. Each panel is measured again and again for perfection. A tiny mistake here could affect the whole car later on. Slowly, the flat metal starts to look like parts of a vehicle. The strong foundations of the car are starting to form. Strength and precision are the key words in this early stage. Now, the parts move to the intense body shop. In the body shop, robots take almost full control. Powerful robotic arms move in perfect, complex harmony. They weld thousands of tiny points with quick sparks flying. The underbody and side frames are joined together first. The car's skeleton is formed piece by piece, strong and balanced. Every weld must be perfect for maximum safety. The roof panel is lowered and fixed into place. This loud process is both fast and extremely precise. The entire main body of the vehicle is now complete. Next, the body moves toward the paint preparation area. The paint shop is one of the cleanest places in the factory. Before any color is added, the surface must be perfect. The car body is first washed and treated with special chemicals. Dust, oil, and moisture must be fully removed. Then, the body is dipped into a giant protective pool. This process seals the metal and protects it from rust for years. The first coats of paint are applied by robotic arms. The paint is electronically charged to stick perfectly to the metal. Then, the brilliant color layer is added. Black, white, silver. The paint is not just for beauty, it protects the vehicle. The painted body is baked in large, hot ovens. This heat locks the color into place permanently. Now, the body moves to the most exciting stage, final assembly. First, we look at the heart of the car, the engine. Engines are assembled in parallel on separate lines. Hundreds of tiny, precise parts make up one engine. Pistons and connecting rods are carefully placed inside the block. Each bolt is tightened with the exact, measured force. This is what gives the vehicle its power, movement, and life. At the same time, the transmission and axles are prepared. Suspensions and braking systems are built for safety and comfort. Everything must work in perfect balance, silently and smoothly. The entire powertrain must be installed quickly and accurately. This marriage of body and engine is a key moment. The car body slowly descends over the waiting engine. Now, the machines slow down, and skilled people step in. Workers install the complex web of interior wiring. This wiring is the nervous system of the modern vehicle. The dashboard, screens, and controls are installed quickly. The interior floor is fitted with sound-deadening material. Next, the heavy, Cushioned seats are brought to the line. Skilled hands tighten the bolts holding the seats in place. The car starts to feel warm, comfortable, and alive. Technology meets human craftsmanship in this phase. Every detail matters, down to the feel of the steering wheel. The door panels are built with complex internal systems. Glass windows are installed and sealed with precision tools. Finally, the tires and wheels are put onto the hubs. The car now touches the ground for the very first time. The final exterior pieces, like lights and emblems, are added. Once assembled, the car faces the toughest judge, quality control. First, the car must pass the heavy water test. Water sprays simulate the heaviest rain and check for leaks. Computers check every single sensor and electronic system. Every light, brake, and window function is checked twice. The engine is tested for sound, power, and smooth operation. A specialized worker takes the car for a short final drive. Nothing is ignored, not a scratch, not a loose bolt. Because this machine will carry real people and real families. It must be ready for real journeys and all kinds of weather. The journey is now complete. The factory work is finished. From raw metal to a complete, powerful machine. The last step, the car is cleaned for final delivery. It rolls out of the massive building and into the world. Soon, it will be driven on open roads and through busy traffic. Through rain, snow, long nights, and bright mornings. It is more than just a tool for movement. It is a symbol of innovation, protection, and freedom. This is how engineering becomes part of our everyday life.